What's up, guys? This is CJ from CJ's Keto Kitchen. Today was a glorious day showing the power of great keto cooking. Stay tuned. I'll tell you the whole story. Yeah, let's do that. It'll be good for viewers. So what's up, guys? This is CJ from CJ's Keto Kitchen. So today we are at a big chili cook-off that my office is having, and I have been talking smack for the whole. 2 or 3 weeks leading up to this, and of course we made keto chili, the Sweeties chili. I'll put the link to that in the description. But anyway, these other chilies don't have a chance. But we're here. We're gonna get the big trophy today, and hopefully the keto chili wins. Okay, so here's what's the chili. Here's the pots of chilies. And to be honest with you, I don't even remember what my pot looks like. Because it was from Sarah. Oh, there it is. And so this is gonna be the winning chili, number 4. It's keto friendly, no spice in it. And anyway, these other chilies don't have a chance. But anyway, we'll see. We'll see. The peanut gallery is here. And by the way, we can't have any kind of office function without having some desserts. And but there's guacamole, so I can eat guacamole. Okay, some more desserts have arrived. And I'm not gonna lie, even though I do keto and we live keto, I still can appreciate good looking desserts. So if this is tempting you, look away. Look away now. Which one is yours? I can't tell you. Well, I just want to know because I want to see you lift up the top. I want to put this on YouTube, maybe. I won't show your face.
To mark the spice level, like this one's 1. This one's 2.5.
I don't think mine's spicy at all.
I don't think mine's spicy. Well, mine's a little spicy.
Oh, look at that. This is.
I think I'm gonna turn it down.
That's good looking chili, but I'm sure it'll lose.
That's so horrible. It's a horrible thing.
But it looks good. Oh, that looks really good, Joe. That looks really good. I feel like I need to put water in mine, but then it'll mess it up.
I wouldn't.
Yeah, it'll mess it up. It's fine. It's what it is. I think you might. Well, I haven't looked at any other ones. I haven't seen
This
one.
is the one I want to see. The one that's a secret.
That one? It's got corn in it. Any beans? Well, it's got corn. You know
Yeah,
what's got in
beans.
it?
It's got beans and corn.
Does it have bacon in it?
I don't know, but it's got a lot of spice in it.
Yeah, she got 2 and a half.
Yeah.
And then this is Tia's.
Oh.
This is Tia's, right?
Yeah.
Tia, do you want to talk about yours? I might put this on. You can lift it up. I can.
Okay.
I will.
Looks like it has
Okay.
rice or something.
This is another one of the chilies that will probably lose to mine, but it's okay.
Lots of onion, beef broth, beef,
Is it rice?
garlic. No, garlic. You see lots of garlic.
Is that what it is?
Oh, that's what it is.
That's the secret ingredient.
There's
I thought about-
nope. The secret ingredient is vinegar. There's vinegar in it. Apple cider vinegar.
Oh.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. And spiciness, I don't know what to call it, so like the spice levels. So.
Right.
But there are beans. So
Yeah,
this
they want you to mark it.
Okay.
The spice level.
Okay. So hang
This has
on.
got to be
I
the
better-
vegetarian one.
I don't know. Here, you decide what the spice level is.
Well, I can only try a little bit of the sauce.
Okay, that's fine. That's all we need to know.
Yeah.
What'd you say? 3? 2?
No, but I think my taste buds are burnt out.
I'm gonna say 2.
Yeah, I'd say 2.
Okay. I wonder
I think my taste buds are burnt out though, because I eat spicy stuff all the time.
Because they've got other ones. I brought a ladle. And
So somebody brought some hot sauce.
Tapatio.
some Oh, it's just this little one here.
Oh, we have vegetarian chili?
Yeah.
Let's see, do it again. Okay, so here's another one that's probably gonna lose.
Yes, it will. It will. It's good, but it's not a competition one. So yeah.
Okay, well, no, it's okay. I've been bragging for weeks that I'm
Oh,
gonna
have
win,
you?
So. Go ahead.
3, 5, and I was gonna do.
So we have a late arrival. We actually have some Weight Watchers chili, and we'll see if it beats out the low carb keto chili. It probably won't, but that's okay. We'll see. We can all hope. So we'll do it again. Okay.
Spinning
I
circle.
was there when she made it.
That's 2 stars for Tony. Was there anything special about your chili?
Well, actually, that chili is that recipe is actually from I guess she'd be my future sister-in-law. She actually made that because we do low carb keto diet. That's how we live, and so that's all. Everything that you guys had was low carb. Like it had it had black soybeans in it, and it was low in carbs. So this is like a big deal.
The only thing that's worse than coming in second is coming in second to CJ.
Hey, Joe, you know where this is going.
I'm outside my window where I can see it all the time. It'll remind me for a year.
Sorry.